My name is Anne Mulder. I'm a director of a company called MNM Business Solutions. Why SYSPRO ERP? It's very functional, it just gets there and it just works. I have worked with SYSPRO since 1990, and so I've seen a lot of progress, and that's what I really like about and I'm excited about SYSPRO, because I've seen a lot of other products come and go. Seeing what they're doing, especially in the mobile area with the Espresso, has just really excited me. I really think we have a point of difference, and that's why I want to work very closely with SYSPRO. The SYSPRO PartnerUP Program is very beneficial to me now and going forward. Just for, I think there's a lot of things in always working the product. You work with certain areas of the product and you don't necessarily know every other area. So actually having done the actual qualifications and certifications, and because I've worked with the product for a long time, it introduces me to the new features and functions in the product. What I've also liked is being able to use it for the people that are working with me, for themselves to upskill themselves and to be able to bring other people on board. I would encourage other partners to certainly look at their offering and upskill themselves on the product and the availability, because it will make them very competitive in the market.